Hello. In this video I will show you how to generate QR codes with Python. It will be useful if you want to use it in your projects or if you want to generate a custom QR code for your purposes. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to have installed Python on your PC. Then install some packages in PowerShell or terminal. To do this, enter here, pip install PyQRcode. And let's install a pypng package that can convert QR codes to PNG images. Actually, you can render QR codes in EPS, SVG, and PNG image formats. Then create a new text file anywhere you want. I make it on the desktop. Rename file name extension to Py. Make sure that you have enabled this checkbox in the Explorer. Next, open this file using any text editor. I use Sublime Text. You can use Notepad or something like that. Okay, let's get down to coding. There won't be much code here, so you can find this code in the description. Firstly, you have to import the main package, PyQRcode. Then create any variable that equals pyqrcode.pre. In brackets, enter some text information. I enter here the link to my YouTube channel. Here you can also customize your QR code you want. For example, you can set the error correction level of the code. By default, this parameter is set to the highest possible error correction. You can also set the code size with the version parameter, but I don't recommend to use it because it will be the smallest possible size. You can also set the coding mode, but the script will select the most efficient one for your content. I will leave all settings as default here. Then enter one more command to save the QR code image. Enter your variable .png. In brackets, enter the file name and some parameters. Scale is how many pixels are needed for a single square dot. I set here 10 pixels. You can also set the background and the code color. By default, the renderer creates a QR code with the square dots colored black and the background colored white. You can also save this code as a SVG scalable vector graphic, or as an EPS PostScript. Okay, to generate the QR code, just run this script. As you can see, this code appeared in the same folder. Okay, the QR code has been created. If you test this code with your phone, it works perfectly. You can also use this feature in your projects. For example, you can generate QR codes on the TK and Tur forums, or in Discord and Telegram bots. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.